Hi, I'm Kodili-nye. Thank you once again for all your support. We're here to bring to you delightful videos that will educate, encourage, give you a delightful thing or delightful moments, and also to bring to bear the activities of every government around the world. But today we are going to bring, based on request, the update on the road construction in Anambra State, southeast of Nigeria, especially around Onitsha Metro, in a place called Ugwuagba, Obosi, part of Onitsha metropolitan city. Ugwuagba is part of Obosi urban part in Onitsha Metro. Ugwuagba is almost 1.8 million people living in Ugwuagba layout. It has had a challenges of bad roads, and dilapidated infrastructure, no general hospitals, no public schools, and other things. There is no water supply, but the government of Soludo, the governor of Anambra State, who was the former CBN governor, promised to change all that by awarding series of roads, which includes St. Peter's Road, Amanato, and Nepa Road, all in Ugwuagba layout. And we are here to bring you update on the progress so far recorded. But the contractor has been very slow, and that's why in the last update, the people complained that it seems that the contractor are not being held to account or the activities, because sometimes they decide to narrow the roads, which when people complain, they change it again. Um, and their slow pace of drainage has taken them almost a year to do on a very not too long kilometers of roads. And up till now, the year is almost ending. They have not made much progress on those roads. But we are going to bring the how the road looks like at the moment. Especially, you can see part of St. Peter's and Nepa Road, as we are able to. One of our workers was able to cover for us. I am called the NYA. Remember, we are here to inform you things on environment, politics, lifestyle, relationship, travel vlogs, and every other things you can think about. We appreciate all your efforts to support us, and we very glad that you're always there. Um, New subscribers, you are all welcome. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. Remember to always like, comment, and turn on notification button, and also share. Please, when you watch, tell your friend, please subscribe. We want to get to 1,000 subscribers. We're going to bring to you a little of the clip we're able to gather on that road. And here it was when the governor last inspected the road, and we are going to bring the situation of things at the moment. Stay tuned. God bless you. This is St. Peter's Road, the state of St. Peter's Road. You can see how unkept. You can see the drainage has not been actually done here. If you are following this road down, it's Ugwuagba, Obosi, and Ugwuagba. You can see they're still trying to do the drainage on the other side of the road. They haven't accomplished much. You can see the sand and the stone. They are very slow in this project. We're going to be bringing to you also NEPA road for you to see.
This is NEPA road. This is the gutter. I am Kodili-nye. What you are watching is update on Ugwuagba Obosi road construction.
Um, you can see that the contractor is not really serious about this road, but this is the current state of affair. This is what we are watching is Nepa Road in Ugwuagba, Obosi. Normally, the governor awarded this road, which a lot of people are very, very happy about because for 30 to 40 years, this area has lacked basic roads. But the governor of Anambra State, Soludo, awarded this road, but the contractor has not actually hastened up things. But this is the current state of affair. Although they have leveled this and built some drainage, but the drainage is still yet to be completed in spite of the months they have actually been working on this road. They are doing, the same contractor is doing 3 or 4 roads in this place, and then have not actually done half of the job even up till now. Although the road looks more favorable now because they leveled it and built some drainage, but you can also see that there's some places they try to narrow the road so much. Although the people complained, they removed the drainage again and started expanding it again. But normally, people are happy that finally the governor awarded this, but they also want the contractor to hasten things up so that this they will be pleased with what's going on. This is Nepa Road. That's what we are watching at the moment. Normally, this place in if the government of Soludo, if I were to advise him, this road should have been expanded because there are a lot of space in this area to expand this road to be like a 3 lane. So from there to straight to Obosi direct. From that NEPA, it will connect to Eziweka, and Eziweka should be expanded to 3 lane road. And from there, it will join to this NEPA road to St. Peter's via Motor Spare Parts Obosi to John Bosco. From John Bosco, it will get to the new bypass at Obosi, which will actually create an alternative route for the Onitsha Metro, and also expand the revenue for the government. This is a very important area that should be handled by a better contractor. But the people are happy that although it's so slow, but that the work is still going, but it's very, very slow, and they don't know if this job will be completed this year. So, but they are just waiting and hoping that if the government can hasten up on this. So they are, hoping that the government should, prevail on the contractor so that the contractor will be able to hasten up on this Ugwuagba or Obosi part of Onitsha Metro road construction. Because this road is very vital. When you think about the number of people living in this area is overpopulated because of the multi-layered high-rise story buildings, which that is in that is in this area. So this area is very, very important if Onitsha Metro is to come back to life as the governor is talking about. Although this area also being ravaged by erosions and other things, and poor sanitation, which was the major problem. But we are here to talk about the update on the road construction, the progress, and this video is is I would say is recorded on the 19th of October 2023. This is the state of affair as of 19th of October 2023. So, Governor Soludo, the people are appreciating your efforts, and they're encouraging that if you can actually hasten up the contractor so that this job is completed before December 2023, before the end of this year 2023, that they will appreciate your effort, and it's very, very vital for the development of Anambra State and Nigeria for this road to be completed. Many people are of the opinion that more pressure should be bared on this contractor so that things will be hastening up. And I also have the opinion that things need to be hastening up. Yeah. So what is your opinion about this road? Remember, for almost 30 to 40 years, this place, no road contract has been awarded here or completed. These roads have been left like this for over 40 years, and the people has been suffering. Businesses have collapsed in this area, and the urban poverty has increased in this area to almost 70%. Most of the businesses collapse because most of the transporters cannot get through into this place. So the street businesses has collapsed because of this. Formerly, they were using Okada. When it was banned, most of the transporters cannot go through this place because it was so bad. Until Soludo came 2022, October 2022, and after inspection awarded the road and promised that the road will be completed, that he will make sure that the road is done. Although he is keeping to his promise, although he came also in February and men mentioned that the contractor is very slow, that he will come in a month's time, although he has not returned. But now is October. Today is actually October 22nd. And this video was recorded October 19th. So hopefully they will try to complete this project so that the people will feel the impact of the government. Kudos to the governor that has awarded this road. But one thing is to award the road, but another thing is to complete it. Another thing is to complete it. So what he need to do now is to make sure that this road project is not abandoned, is not delayed, that is completed on schedule. It's behind schedule already, but if it's completed before the end of the year, which many people doubt if it will be done, but hopefully the little they have done should not be left like this. I think the contractors, they don't know how capable the contractor is, or maybe the money has not been paid fully, or nobody knows. But hopefully something has to give in to make sure that this project is completed. If you are watching this video, I am Kodili-nye. What do you think about this? You can comment. You can also demand what you want us to bring to you. This is part of Onitsha Metro, Ugwuagba layout, Obosi. It's a huge area you are watching. That's the road construction. This is what is called NEPA Road in Ugwuagba, Obosi, part of Onitsha Metro, in Anambra State, southeastern Nigeria. Um, this place is housing the biggest motor spare parts, second-hand motor spare parts, and it has a lot of industries also, huge industries around this area. Although some of them has closed down, but some of them are still working. There are a lot of small scale businesses which help the economy of the state. So as we are talking, many of the industries here helps the economy of the states, because a lot of them are not only the big ones, the medium size and the small scale industries. There are a lot of them in this place. The small scale industries in this Ugwuagba, under the all these houses are many. Some of them produce fantastic goods that can actually be exported. Some of them you might think they are foreign products, but they are actually made in Nigeria, made in Onitsha, made in Ugwuagba, made in Ugwuagba Obosi, part of Onitsha Metro. And one thing the government need to do is this vital infrastructure to be provided, so to make the cost of doing business to be cheaper. Another thing is also water supply and the power. This area is inspired. They harbor the office of um, the power holdings, the major interchange, but the power situation in this area is very poor, and a lot of people are paying dearly without seeing the light. And other things is sanitation. They are paying a lot of money on sanitation here, but the companies or whoever that is handling it has not actually done a pretty job here. Um, so it's very vital that the government should look into this area. If the state would move to another level, this area is this type of area that the government should also look into, and also help them to fight against this pollution, this area, burning of tires and burning of waste, because of evacuation is very poor. Hopefully, and the governor of Anambra State should watch this video and do the needful and help these people out of this challenge. Um, I am Kodili-nye. I promise to always bring something that will be positive, will be will enhance the society, and also to be constructive in any criticism, and also to bring solutions where is needed. So continue to support in your support of our videos. Always share it with your friends. Continue to like, continue to support us. One thing we ask of you is to continue to watch the channel. We're a young channel, and we are hoping to get to 1,000 subscribers with your help. I appreciate all of you that have subscribed recently. We are moving to places. We are increasing, and we are we are growing stronger and stronger. Sorry about the shaking of the camera because one of our contacts, the person that sent this video to us, um, was struggling with his recording. But hopefully, sometimes it might be difficult sometimes to get these videos. But as they send it to us, we promise also to get it out there so that those in authority will see these things and do the needful. Thank you very much for all your help. Continue to watch till the end. Continue to watch. Continue to watch. I am Kodili-nye. Continue to watch. I am Kodili-nye. Continue to watch. Thank you.